Sir, please explain how to select a right kind of equipment for sanitization.
We generally see there are two major technologies which are used for sanitization. So one is spraying technology and one is fogging technology. And within the two technologies, you would see there is a clear differentiation in the indoor spaces and outdoor spaces. So the requirements of outdoor and indoor spaces are very different. What we have generally seen here is that most of the disinfection has been carried out using the agricultural sprayers. So they are not the right equipment, but yeah, I mean, since we don't have anything, so it was serving the purpose. It was filling in the gap,
Yes.
but it is not the right equipment for the right kind of disinfection or sanitation.
Okay.
And what is important to be considered is, depending on the chemical that you use, there is the right amount of contact time that you have to allow. So your sprayer should have the sufficient discharge, which is permitting the right contact time. At the same time, there is no need to overspray. So these viruses, bacteria, they are microorganisms, and only getting in touch with the disinfectant and given the right contact time, they are going to get neutralized. So it should not be throwing in excessive chemical, because that is harmful to human, that is harmful to animals, and it is harmful to the environment in the larger context.
Yes.
So we have to consider the space, how much length and width we have got, which we wish to disinfect. Also, at the same time, if it is an open space or it is a space with partitions or walls or glass fittings, etc. And then we have to be very, very careful about the contact time and the amount of liquid it is throwing. So in technical terms, you can say that the sprayers or the foggers, which do emit very fine particle size,
Okay.
they are the best equipment to be used. At the same time, you have to also consider that the discharge coming in from the sprayer or the fogger, which has to be thrown into the air, it should have some dwell time. The smaller particles should stay in the air for some time, and when it falls on the surface, it should create an even coating or a surface, 100% surface coverage.
Okay.
The issue is in the general mopping, when you take one stroke like this and the another stroke like this. So there is a possibility that small space is left.
Definitely.
Similarly for sprayers, if you are spraying it like this and there is some spot which is left, or the foggers, which basically do inactive surface disinfection, because you are throwing in the air and water will automatically fall onto the surface. So in such cases, if there is any spot which gets left, if you have done 98%, it is not the right disinfection, because the 2% which is left will again permit the colony of the microorganisms to grow back. So it is very technical subject, and one has to be considering all these factors and only using these specialized equipments for the kind of space they are going to address. Just using any modified machines is not the right way of disinfection.